I was sent this package to review some cool art supplies. So here we have some watercolor brush pens from the brand Colozoo. This is really cool. It comes in a nice package, durable, and it wasn't damaged in the... It was just sent in one of those cardboard envelopes, as you saw. I really like this packaging. So this is a set with 24 different brush pens. Oh, you get a little coloring sheet here. That's really neat. I think I'm gonna try that at once. You also get 2 water brushes with different nib size for like the brush handle here. So that's nice. Another feature I really like is that each color is named after different animals. So I'm just gonna color this in and see where we go from there. Okay, so we started off good, me not reading the instructions properly. I just saw one and I started using it here. So that was wrong. It was supposed to be this one. So this is N1 and this is 0. So I'm just gonna, you know, redo what I already did, okay? First impressions of these brush pens from Colozoo is that they're really nice to work with. They have a very fine tip here and the bristles doesn't break apart, you know, so there are like loose bristles. I had one of these 24 pencils, brush pens, where there was a stray strand. Otherwise they have held up really good. Even when you make like long strokes, I feel like it deposes enough ink, I was gonna say, but I guess it's like the pigment. So yeah, I'm gonna use them for some other illustrations and I'll give you a proper review of what I think about these. I have used these brush pens for several sketchbook illustrations now, and my first impressions last. I really like them. For this particular piece I added some colored pencils and Posca markers in the end, but all the groundwork is made with the Colozoo brush markers. I've done some pieces exclusively using the brush pens, but I'm getting more and more into the whole mixed media art making thing, and this was the little artwork I happened to film. The methods I use for this drawing are primarily using the pigment straight out of the pen. I also dip the tip in water to get a more diluted color. After doing so, you have to reactivate the brush pen with some strokes to let the pigment flow again after it has been watered down. There are many more ways to use watercolor brush pens. Leave a comment down below if you want me to make a video showing different techniques and ways of using them. As I mentioned before, I was kindly sent these brush pens by the brand Colozoo, and I have not been sponsored, and I didn't have to dedicate an entire video to them. I think I told them I would unbox the brush pens in a studio vlog or something, but as I used them I found that I really like them and I want to make a proper video showcasing the pens more, and therefore I saved the unboxing footage from like when I was filming it for a vlog and made it a separate video out of it. I'm sure you'll see me use these pens many times in the future. They are definitely something I tend to grab and bring with me if I'm sitting somewhere else in the house working in my sketchbook. The plastic box is really sturdy and the pens click in place, so it's easy to keep them in order for easy access. I haven't tried the water brushes that much yet, so I can't really evaluate them, but stay tuned and I'll let you know once I played around a bit more with them. I'm gonna let you watch the remainder of this video with some music just in a little minute, but I just want to make a little moment here to thank my patrons for your support. I am on my 3rd month on Patreon now, and it has been really fun to make content over there and connect with my patrons. You absolutely do not have to pledge to my Patreon, but if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. I'm currently doing Vlogmas over there, vlogging most but not all days. The videos are usually exclusive to the higher tiers for the penguins, but the Vlogmas series will be viewable for both tiers, so both the puffins and the penguins, during the month of December and January, and then I will change the access so it's just the penguins so you can go back and watch them. The penguin tier will still get 2 exclusive videos. If things go as planned, the December videos will be a talkative flip through of my current planner system and a video with a bunch of Harry Potter DIY decorations I did for a party I went to. Thanks again for watching, have a lovely day, hej då!